Hello everyone and welcome to the video where I'm going to be discussing the M25 and M35 series of power connectors from GTC. Now I have the M25 series here and the M35 series here. So just to give you a bit of background on the connectors, they are IP67 rated, making them a really robust connector. They are both push lock coupling and screw termination. The M25 has a max current of 30 amps and is designed for a panel cutout of 25.2 millimeters, and the M35 has a max current of 40 amps and is designed for a panel cutout of 35.2 millimeters. They are both field installable connectors, and how they mate together, as you can see here with the M25 series, the panel mount connector actually has red tabs on the end, so you just need to line the connector up and then push it together like so. So if we push that together now, it will click like so, and then you need to have this tool to then be able to put the tool in on the red tabs to then be able to pull it apart like so. So if we pull it apart now, will come apart. So the M25 and M35 series of connector are great connectors for applications such as outdoor lighting, LED screens and outdoor security systems. So if you are in the market for a power connector, you can visit our website at www.liveelectronicsgroup.com, and you can contact our sales team directly for more information. I really appreciate you watching this video today. Thank you.